This is the challenge solution for what you probably just spent a little bit more than 25 minutes doing. This is what it should look like in Revit. This is the Excel spreadsheet that I gave you. And you can see here that this was the information that you had to input with the quantities, approximate sizes, square footage, and then some comments. Here with Revit, we took that same information and basically redid it in Revit. So now it's part of the Revit database. Now there's a couple of highlights. Yours might not look exactly like this. That's okay. That's the whole idea, is to practice with this and push the envelope. A couple of highlights. Let's take a look at fields first. The fields that you should have in there are name, area, program, approximate size, which actually is a parameter. You have comments, which comes out of this list too. Difference, though, actually was a calculated value. And that should be something that you can look at. If you look at it, this was the tough one to do. This was difference. And we took a formula where we were taking our area that we have, which we haven't actually put in, and our square footage that we think we're going to do. And then we were going to look at that as far as whether we are above or below 10%. So there we have that formula in place. The other things that we've done is to look at sorting and grouping. In this case, this whole schedule was done by level with the header and footer with totals only, then by name, and then there was grand totals put in and it was itemized. There were a couple other little formatting techniques as well that we had to do. And if you didn't get your columns to total down here, might be because you might have missed that. And where you would have missed it is, let's take a look at area. Here it is. If you click on calculate totals, you should be able to get the total square footage to show down here. If we look at program, you'll see this has also got calculated totals, so that's where that would come in. So the rest of this stuff is pretty straightforward as far as the fields are concerned. If you took time to enter it properly, you would have ended up getting this information. Comments obviously are kind of useful. This kind of gives you a clue as far as how to use comments. A lot of these things would come out of your program that you were working with on your client. So that's the solution. I hope that you had some fun playing with it. And let's move on to the next one.